With your left hand, discard the hot water from tea bowl. Bring the tea bowl in front of your body. With your right hand, pick up the chakin. Place the chakin inside the tea bowl. Pick up the chakin's tunnel with the right thumb and the right forefinger as if to pinch. Bring the tea bowl to the left side of your body above your left knee. Hang the chakin on the rim of the tea bowl right above where your left hand is holding the tea bowl. Grip the chakin with your right hand. Start rotating the tea bowl counterclockwise thumb to thumb 3 times above your left knee. Bring the tea bowl in the center of your body as you make the last half turn to finish rotating. Your left hand should be holding the 9 o'clock position of the tea bowl. Your right hand should be at its 3 o'clock position. Take the chakin out from the 3 o'clock position of the tea bowl. Place the chakin inside again. Fold the top 1/3 portion of the chakin towards you. Twist your right wrist to grab the chakin where you just folded. Wipe the inner walls of the tea bowl first by moving the chakin on the left hand side close to the rim, and then right hand side close to the rim, as if you draw Japanese hiragana E. Then wipe the middle section of the tea bowl by drawing the hiragana Ri with your chakin. Place the chakin inside the tea bowl in the original position. With your right hand, place the tea bowl down.